Welcome to this video on the Traveling Professionals Playbook. Today, we are addressing problem number 6, inaccurate listing descriptions. Does your booked property actually match what you were promised? When you arrive at a rental, the most important question is whether the property truly matches what you booked. There is often a gap between expectations and reality. A listing may appear to be a stylish, renovated loft, but your arrival might reveal a dated space that doesn't match the description at all. Details truly matter. Everything from beds and parking to kitchen facilities, laundry, and Wi-Fi should align with what was advertised. What you book should always match what is provided. You planned your stay around specific information. If you require 2 bedrooms, trailer parking, laundry, or a full kitchen, missing these items can derail your entire trip. Know exactly what you are booking so you can come home to what you expect. The Traveling Professionals Playbook provides real-world housing tips for construction workers, contractors, utility crews, refinery workers, and all traveling professionals.